Hi, today I will show you how to change or replace AirPod cushions for JBL Tune 500 BT or Tune 500 wired headphones. As usual, this guide will also work with other headphone models with the same AirPod mount type. Time to replace them, but sad part is that JBL doesn't sell replacement AirPod cushions and just force us to buy a new headphones. But we are not dum-dums, we will save up some money. AirPod cushions can be found on Amazon, eBay or Aliexpress, links in the video description. AirPod replacement you can find by model. The old AirPod is easy to remove, just put your fingers behind it and pull it off. Warning, it is 10 times harder to put them back on. Also remove the other AirPod. Take replacement AirPod cushion and put them on. The main idea is to push the edge of the AirPod in the headphone groove. It is not easy, but it can be done with this little hole. It makes easier to put on the AirPod cushions. Put the edge of the AirPod into it, like this. Then twist the AirPod clockwise, pulling it down gently so that it doesn't pop out of the gap. Rotate the AirPod until the wool edge of the AirPod is in the groove of the headphone body. Then adjust the side letter correctly by rotating the AirPod cushions. Then do the same with the other AirPod. Hook the edge, rotate until the whole AirPod is pulled into the groove. Make sure the letter is positioned correctly. If you want to upgrade your JBLs with better quality AirPod cushions, watch my previous video. That's it. That's how easy and cheap way to restore your favorite JBL headphones. But now good luck and good sounding.